Okay.
Titanium cookware.
Okay, ikaw ang ano natin.
Ikaw ang kwan yung
Present ko.
sign.
The
Sign
present
language.
Present kura ganun to.
Oh, don't.
Come on.
Hindi
Okay, let's score.
Ano yun sa YouTube kasi ano.
Bakit?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Walang problema yan. Huwag ka matakot.
So demonstrate us healthy cooking using titanium
This is American
healthy
company, you know.
cookware
Okay.
from the company called
Salad Master.
Salad Master. So now she's going to cook for us a 3-course meal
With one tomato. In 40 minutes.
In 40 minutes.
Yes, in 40 minutes with all this cookware here.
That's very, very
You don't
impossible.
need to
Impossible.
use oil,
Yes.
no water,
No fat.
no fat, no butter. So we'll see what it's the
No
taste
oil.
like in 40 minutes.
Should be 3 milk course.
Okay.
Ano ba pangalan mo dapat?
Okay. Miss Avon.
Melanie. Yung sa television.
Corena Sanchez.
Corina Sanchez. Corina Sanchez ito. Ito naman si Alma Moreno. Hindi.
Hindi si Alma yan. Si...
Nora Honor.
Noro Honor, taga ano na ngayon?
Taga ano yan eh. Kapitbahay si Nora Honor eh.
Oh, Bicol area, di ba?
Bicol. Kapitbahay niya.
Ano ba yun?
Bicol.
Yung mga vegetables made.